Hello, everyone. This is your boy TK. I'm back with another video. Today, I've seen a lot of people complaining about their car radios losing memory. You program something, we switch your radio off. When you come back, we switch your radio on, everything is lost. You have to start again from the scratch. In this video, I will show you the cause of all of that. As you can see, here is my radio. This is the back of the radio. Let me try to zoom in. Yeah, you can see the wires there. This is the connector for power. As you can see, these wires are power wires, and then this is another connector that is connected on radio. It's for the speakers of the radio. But because this one is connected, and then it's difficult for me to work on it, I will take this radio connector, and then I will show you the cause of everything, the cause of your car radio to lose the memory. As you can see, this radio connector, these cables on the left, these ones are for the speakers. These cables are for the speakers. You see the color coded there are for the speakers. And then we are going to focus on this power side, because this is the power side. As you can see, the yellow, the black for ground, and then the red. And then here, what is happening here? This one is for remote. This one, we are not talking about this one. We are going to talk about this three wires, because we don't want to make this video long. I just want to show you the cause of what is happening there. So here on these 3 wires, this one is a ground wire. This one, like a black wire, is for ground. It's a ground wire. And then these 2 cables, these 2 wires are the problem. So if you connected them like this, and your radio still losing memory, what you have to do, you have to swap these cables, these wires. This you see, this is yellow, this is red. You have to swap. Yellow must go to red, and then red must go to yellow, because sometimes with these aftermarket radios, they swap these wires. So you say you connected them correctly, only to find out no, you didn't do the way you were supposed to do. So this one is gonna go to here. Sorry, I can't do, because I have my phone with me here and I'm recording. I will try to put it here so that I can display everything that I'm telling you. So you see this one, you connect it here. This is red, this is yellow. That means these wires have been swapped. So you have to take this wire and then put it on yellow, and then the yellow one, you connect it to red, and then your radio is gonna work correctly. See, I took yellow to red, and then red to yellow. this wire here is for memory. It's for memory. The yellow wire is for memory. So with this aftermarket radio, they swap red and yellow. You find the red, it was supposed to be here, they put it here, and then the yellow was supposed to be here, and then they put it here. So you have to swap these two wires. I think your radio is gonna work properly without losing any memory. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more and more and more videos like this. I say thank you and goodbye.